Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio G-Shock. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So guys, if you have a Casio G-Shock, just like this one or a different model, you will be able to set the time using this method. So if you want to set the time, what you need to do first is to adjust the digital time, and that will automatically set the hands of the watch. So when you set the digital time, it will automatically go and set the analog one as well. So what you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for about 3 seconds. Once you hear the click, we are going to go into all these options. The first function is to actually select your time zone, so the city you are in. And you can see we have the city. Then if we press it one more time, we will have the DST off and on. Here we are going to be able to select between the 12 hours and the 24 hours. I'm going to select the 24 hours. If I press it one more time, I can select the seconds. Now, if you are going to set the seconds and you are between 30 and 60, when you press, a minute will be added. So as you can see, we have 34, but now the seconds have been resetted. If you are going to change the seconds between 1, so between 0 and 29, if you press it, it will reset to 0, but the minutes will stay the same. Now, if I press it one more time, I will be able to select the hours, and I can use both buttons. And since I have selected the 24 hours, you can see that I can select upwards of 23. And you can select the hour, so 18, and then you can go on the minutes. And if you press and hold, it will go even faster, so it will speed scroll, and you can go even faster when you are selecting the minutes. Now I'm going to select the minutes. Once again, I'm looking at the seconds as well. And when you have everything set, you can press the mode button once again. Here you are going to be able to set the year, the month, and the date. But if you only want to set the time and you are done, simply press the adjust button, and as you can see, we have set the time. It is 18 and 29, and also we have the seconds, so 0 and now 18:30. And as you can see, the analog display has been set accordingly to the digital one. So that was the quick tutorial, guys, on how to set the time. If you want to find even more about your Casio G-Shock, you can check other tutorials on our YouTube channel, because we have others on how to replace the watch battery, how to reset the hands, and many more. So make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.